Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate NFL Network step by step clearly. To activate NFL Network, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official NFL Network activation page. Locate the activation code that appears on your screen.
This code is necessary for the activation process, so keep it handy.
Next, select your TV provider from the list provided. If your provider is not listed, check their website for compatibility. Enter your credentials for your TV provider when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure successful login.
You may be required to authenticate your account through a verification process.
Once logged in, return to the activation page.
Input the activation code in the designated field.
Double-check the code to ensure accuracy before submitting. Click the Activate button to proceed. Wait for the confirmation message indicating successful activation. After activation, switch to the NFL Network channel on your TV.
You should now have access to live games and exclusive content.
If you encounter any issues, revisit the activation page for troubleshooting tips.
For further assistance, contact your TV provider's customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.